The Swiss meringue swirl biscuits need a double boiler. This is quite a big scalding hazard. So you have a saucepan that's half filled with water and the steam is going to heat the bowl. So you've got to be careful of the steam coming out the side of the bowl, and also it can be quite an unstable structure. So you do need adult supervision for this. You need to hold on to the bowl, which will get a bit warm, so just hold the edge, and you're going to let the steam cook the egg whites while you whisk the egg whites and the caster sugar together. And what will happen is it will foam up and aerate, the sugar will dissolve quite quickly, and you've got a cooked Swiss meringue which can be safely used and piped on a biscuit that doesn't need further cooking. So keep checking that the steam isn't getting too out of hand, because steam can also be a scalding hazard. And you can see that there's a fair bit of movement here, so you do need to make sure that you're attending to this and you don't end up with a scalding hazard. You can see the meringue's getting quite glossy now, and once it's got to this stage and the sugar is fully dissolved, keep checking that the steam isn't coming out too furiously, and if it is, switch the hob off, but keep the egg whites moving, otherwise it will scramble on the base of the bowl and you'll get scrambled egg instead. When it's fully dissolved, take it off the double boiler, switch the hob off and remove the saucepan from the residual hot hob, and then you're going to whisk it until the mixture gets cold, and it will actually increase in volume as you do this. So as soon as you've got this dissolved glossy structure, remove it from the hob and keep whisking until it's cold, and you can see here it's got quite a lot of volume to it. Now the other thing that these biscuits need are digestive biscuits or graham crackers, a lemon curd, and if you want to, a crème pâte. So that's the filling. For those two products you'll need to watch the lemon meringue pie video or the crème pâte fruit tart video and decide which one you want to use, or you can just use jam. So here you can see the lemon curd and the crème pâte on top, and then you're just going to pipe this already cooked Swiss meringue in a nice swirl on top, and then you're going to grill it so that it caramelizes further. You don't need to grill it, it's already cooked and safe because of the double boiler activity, but I quite like it when it's got a nice caramel skin on it, and it only needs to go into a hot grill just long enough for it to actually go golden brown on the top. That's probably going to be 1 to 3 minutes, no more. So it goes under a grill, otherwise known as a broiler. And then they come out, and the recipe below has enough mixture for 8 biscuits, and that's what they look like. The recipe is down in the description below.